Hi guys and welcome back. So for today's video, I am thinking I want to do some kind of green eyeshadow look for St. Patrick's Day. Of course, obviously things are going on right now to where we're all at home a lot more often. Apparently you can't talk about a lot of things on YouTube or they'll demonetize you. So my last video, zero monies. Thanks, YouTube. Thank you. God forbid I have an opinion about what's going on in the world. So therefore, I can't talk about certain things or I make no monies. And being out of work right now, I would like to make some money. So I think that's kind of shitty to do to us, YouTube. I do. Now watch this video get demonetized. Fantastic. So I guess that has forced me to keep my mouth shut and not give my opinion as much about things. So from here on out, you probably won't hear a lot of me talk about certain things. It's just the way it has to be right now. And at this point, I don't know how long I will be at home, not working. So this is going to be, you're going to just see a lot of me in robes and sweatshirts, and that's about it. So my heart is pretty heavy right now, and I don't know. I just figured I need to get on here, even though I wasn't completely 100% motivated to film right now. I figured this would be a great way to kind of help my mind with the current situation going on. So yeah, I'm thinking of doing some green. So let's do a little bit of St. Patrick's Day, even though I can't go nowhere. So if you want to see what I come up with, then keep on watching. I think I'm going to start with my face today. I just figured, why not? Usually I start with my eyes. I don't think I'm going to do anything too crazy. But I do want to, in some way, celebrate St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to start out with the Benefit Professional, and I like to focus this mainly on my cheeks. Usually, what am I doing? I have been using this. This is primarily what I've been using my Blendiful for, the Tati Beauty Blendiful. I love using this for primer so that I don't have to touch my face, which is what I usually do because I figure, you know, your hands have a bunch of bacteria and you want to touch your face the least amount of times as you can so that you don't have breakouts. So that is what I like to use this for. So it's basically, or what I like to use it for is basically primer and powder, and that's it. More so I like to use this for my matte primer and for the pore filling primer. But when I go in with my Dr. Brandt Luminizer primer, I use my hands. I have clean hands, so I'm not that worried about it. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible and the CoverGirl Clean Fresh. Did you guys see Raw Beauty Christy's video, her last video about using the CoverGirl Clean Fresh? Is that what it is? Yeah, Clean Fresh. And it was like leaving those white spots all over her face. I did not have that problem at all, which was just crazy to me because I'm like, I didn't have that issue. What the heck is going on? And then when she was reading the reviews on the foundation on like Ulta, and a lot of other people had that problem, I was like, what the hell? I did not have that issue at all whatsoever. That was like mind-blowing to me. I was really confused because I actually really enjoy the foundation. I think it's really hydrating. However, I do not use it by itself. I use it as a mixer. I just find that it's better that way. Like it works better that way. So the first time I used it though, I used it by itself when I did the foundation review, and I actually liked the foundation. So I just found that to be very interesting. See, I think this looks so pretty on the skin. So pretty. I don't know. Just my opinion, but again, I mix it and I never have an issue. For concealer, I've been loving this combination. You already know I love the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer, and then I've been going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. When I use this by itself, it is not very full coverage at all. That is why I like the e.l.f. But the e.l.f. to me is a little bit dark, which probably like on camera it doesn't look like that. Like if I use this by itself, I notice a huge difference. Like you can just see the concealer on my face because I am so pale. So it is a little dark for me. However, when I go in with the Makeup Revolution concealer, it's lighter and I'm able to lighten this up. Even though this doesn't give me the best coverage, it's okay because I'm getting the coverage from my e.l.f. concealer, which is cool. But this lightens it up a little bit and is better suited for my undertone. So that is why I like to mix them. And of course, you know, I like to let my concealer sit here and dry for a couple of minutes before I blend it out. I was on the brush train with doing the brush with everything. Even though I love to do that, it takes forever. And I mean, I have all the time in the world, but I just get impatient with doing so. So I've been back on the Beauty Blender train with blending out my concealer, but I am just letting it sit a little bit longer so that I do still get the coverage. After I blend this concealer out, I am going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Fair. I'm going to go ahead and take my Beauty Blender and just set the rest of my face with that powder too. I've been on the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin train lately, and today I just want a little bit less coverage. Sometimes I just want to change it up. Alright, and for bronzer, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Hoola. I really need you guys to let me know what you want to see down below. I haven't bought any new makeup. I don't plan on buying any new makeup. Obviously, money's gonna be tight. So, I don't think I'll be buying any makeup in the near future, which is okay. It's not like I don't have enough makeup. But if I do get a wild hair at my ass, I might, you know, there might be a launch, you know, and I might buy something, but let's just pretend I'm not, and I would like to know what you guys want to see. I need some motivation. I need positivity right now, and you guys to let me know what you want to see or give me video ideas because I'm gonna have a lot of time on my hands. So I think I'm gonna take advantage of the situation and maybe film more, maybe get 3 videos up a week. I want to know how it is with maybe putting an extra video up a week. This would be a great time to test that because I've always kind of wondered about that. Would it really change that much of what I already make here on YouTube? So I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to see. Hopefully I can get creative again and want to film, but I'm going to need your guys' help with that right now. So let me know what you guys want to see because I'm kind of hitting a wall at this point. All right, for blush, I'm going to go in with one of my favorites. This is the Pretty Vulgar Blush in number 18. It's just, I don't know, it's just one of my favorites. If I can get it open. What the hell is going on here? Hello? Hello? Really? Oh, there it goes. There it is. There she is. Good blush. Love her. I always overdo it on blush. Always. Always, always. I don't care. Love blush. I'm so excited to use this highlighter because she is back. They brought it out of hibernation for a limited time. And it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. Dude, this glow kit was my jam when this first got released. This is still the same one, expired as I don't care. So I busted her back out because it was on my shelf as like I said, you can't see these shelves up here back behind me, above me. I have my most like expensive collected makeup up here, like Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson, Natasha Denona. Anyway, and this one was up on a different shelf, just living her best life, not being used. So now that it's back, I'm like, I'm using it. I'm going to be using this again. Why not? So I'm going to dip into Forever Lit and Glow Getter. Oh my God, why did I ever stop using this? Oh, I love it. Ooh, that nose got a little intense. This all got a little intense really quickly. Very, very pretty. Love that. Love it. Missed it, loved it. Love it again. Happy girl. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. All right, my face is still drying, but I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my eyes. I have a couple of things out here right now. The first thing I have out is the James Charles Morphe palette. I love the green in here. Actually, I like both of them, as you can see. I used it for a Halloween tutorial back in October. Love that green. I also have the City Color Cosmetic Shimmer Shadow in Beach Cottage. It is a beautiful shimmer. Look at this guy. So freaking pretty. And then I have the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. And this color is banging. This one in the middle, such a pretty green shimmer. So I have options. So I think the first shade I'm going to jump into is the dark green from the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm just going to start to lightly dust that because this is pretty pigmented from what I remember. Just start lightly dusting. Then again, I might dip a little bit into the yellow, just like the tiniest bit, and just start to buff this out a little bit. And I think I actually want to go in with this green right here. I just think it's really gonna give this the pop that I want. I think I'm actually gonna try and go with my finger. My nails are so long because I finally did my nails, guys. Finally did them. And now I don't think I can use my finger. Whoa, that's amazing. Oh, I love that. Okay, so I'm going to try and make this work. I'm gonna take a little flat. Oh, that has pink on it. I need to clean my brushes so bad. I'm gonna take that on a little definer brush. Oh, I'm loving this. This just actually made me really like this eye look. That green is killer. And then I'm gonna go back in with the dark green and just kind of blend these two together. Love that. And then I'm going to go back in and take that dark green and start to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm just going to concentrate on smoking out the outer corner of this right now. So I took that on a pencil brush, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit more of a fluffier brush. And I'm going to take the light green in the James Charles palette and kind of smoke it out. All right, I'm going to go in with the NYX, what is this? The Liquid Crystal Liner in gold. But at first, I think I want to take, I'm going to take a yellow. Let's get like a sparkly yellow or just this yellow. Let's go ahead and take this bright yellow. The first yellow I used is from the James Charles palette, but I'm going to use this yellow because I think it's a little bit more intense than that yellow, and put that on my inner corner. And now I'm going to take that NYX Liquid Crystal Liner and kind of put that on the inner corner part of my lower lash line. And then my battery's gonna die. So I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead off camera, do my brows and lashes, and then come back and finish this look. All right, so I used the NYX, I think it's like the micro brow pencil in Auburn for my eyebrows, the CoverGirl clear brow gel to set them. Ooh, I don't know what these lashes are. I know I've used them in maybe a video or two prior to this, so maybe I'll be able to find them. Not guaranteed, but I'll try. And then I have the NYX On the Rise mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to take some of that Forever Lit from the Nicole Guerrero kit and put that, let me get some of this yellow off or whatever is on this little brush that I used on my inner corner. But I'm going to take the white in that kit and put it on my brow bone. All right, and for lips, I'm going to start off with the Milani, which one is this? This is the Adore Matte Lip Cream in Adorable. And then I'm going to top that with the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. I think I want to take some of that really light, ooh, yeah, that really light, it's over here, the light shimmer that I put on my eyes in my waterline. I love to do that. Yes, I love that. I don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference from that far, but I love doing this. All right, guys, so here is the final look. I feel like if I wear any kind of green, I look like a Christmas tree. So I usually never wear green, but I wanted to do some kind of St. Patrick's Day look. So here it is, and I actually love it. Again, I want you guys to comment down below and let me know what you want to see or give me some video ideas just to keep me inspired, keep me rocking and rolling during this time. And I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Hopefully it's something. Or DM me, tweet me, send me texts, those who have my number. You know what I mean. You don't have to comment below if you don't want to. But it would help me out a lot. Trying to get Chris back on my channel. Maybe do a challenge or something like that. Just to kind of laugh in a time that is pretty rough for a lot of us. So that is it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching. And happy St. Patrick's Day.